TV First Use Setup. First Use Setup will guide you to configure a new LG Smart TV at first time. First, power on the TV. Then press OK button, wheel, on the remote controller. Let's follow these steps to set up your TV. 1. Select the installation method. You can set up the TV either from the mobile device through ThinQ app or directly from the TV. 2. Select the language and country. Then click Next. 3. Select the network you wish to connect with your TV. Now the internet is successfully connected on the TV. 4. Terms and conditions. Press Next, then tick Select All and agree. 5. Connect all the using devices to your TV and turn them on, or you can also set up it later. Click Next. 6. Select Connected Input Device Signal, or can do it later. Refer User Guide for configuring set-top box with TV. 7. Select the installation type of your TV for optimum sound output. 8. Turn on AI Picture Pro, AI Sound Pro for better experience, then click Next. 9. Turn on Always Ready if you want to enjoy features like wallpaper, voice recognition, etc. when the TV is switched off by remote. 10. Log in to LG account or set up it later. Now, your first use is completed. Install and configure the popular application or set up it later. Now, click Done. Your first use TV setup is successfully completed. Sign into your LG account. Select any of the option to sign into LG account. Scan QR code to install and configure ThinQ app. Enter the PIN displayed on TV screen on your phone. You have successfully signed in.